No, I never killed a dead one.
Before they was dead, did you?
No, you see, the Injuns are my friends. They taught me all I know about the woods. They taught me how to follow a trail by watching the leaves, how to cut your mark on a tree so you won't get lost in the forest. And they taught me how to bury in the snow so you won't freeze to death in storms. And they taught me how to make a fire without even a flint. And they taught me how to make the best bow and arrows, too.
Did they teach you how to make papooses?
No, that's one of their own secrets. Well, boys, I guess we better get going.